Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to mute a group for 1 week on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. If you've ever been overwhelmed by too many notifications from busy group chats but still want to stay in the conversation, this feature is exactly what you need. Let's get started step by step. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in so you can see all your personal chats and groups right on the main screen. Once the app loads, you'll find the list of your conversations on the left-hand side. Next, scroll down and locate the group you'd like to mute. Whether it's a family group, a work project, or just a chat that's very active, simply hover over it. Now, here's the key part. Right-click directly on that group chat. This will open a small menu with several options. From the list, look for the one that says Mute. Click on it. WhatsApp will immediately show you different time durations for muting that chat. You'll see options like 8 hours, 1 week, and even longer. Since today we're focusing on muting for 1 week, go ahead and select that choice. The moment you click on 1 week, the group is muted right away. That means no more constant message alerts popping up while you're working or browsing on your computer. The group is still active, and you can check in anytime you want, but you'll only see new messages when you choose to open the chat. Muting a group for 1 week is perfect when you need some focus time without permanently silencing the conversation. And remember, you can unmute the group at any time by right-clicking on it again and choosing the unmute option. That's all it takes, just a few quick steps to create some peace and quiet on WhatsApp desktop. So the next time you need a little break from non-stop alerts, you'll know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching.